Will AI take your job or create new ones? Let's uncover the truth. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries faster than ever before. From chatbots to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. But the big question remains, what does this mean for jobs? It's easy to think of artificial intelligence as a futuristic concept, something straight out of science fiction. But the reality is, AI isn't just on the horizon, it's already here, deeply woven into the fabric of our daily work and the global economy. It's the silent partner in countless offices, the invisible hand optimizing complex systems, and the creative spark for new ideas. Let's pull back the curtain and look at what AI is already doing right now. One of the most immediate impacts has been on routine administrative tasks. Think about the mountains of paperwork and data entry that used to consume entire departments. Today, a technology called robotic process automation, or RPA, powered by AI, is revolutionizing this space. These software bots can read documents, extract information from invoices, process insurance claims, and update customer records across multiple systems with superhuman speed and accuracy. This isn't about replacing people, but rather liberating them from monotonous work. By automating these repetitive processes, companies are freeing up their human talent to focus on more strategic, creative, and customer-facing responsibilities that require a human touch. Remember the frustration of being on hold for hours? AI has dramatically transformed the world of customer support. Sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants are now the first point of contact for many businesses, available 24/7 to answer common questions, process returns, or track orders instantly. But it goes deeper. Modern conversational AI can understand context, detect a customer sentiment, and seamlessly escalate complex issues to a human agent, providing them with a full transcript. This creates a smoother experience for the customer and empowers the human agent to solve problems more effectively. Even highly technical fields like software development are being augmented. AI-powered tools, often called pair programmers, are changing how code is written. A developer can simply write a comment describing the function they need, and the AI will generate the entire block of code in seconds. It can suggest optimizations, help find bugs, and dramatically accelerate the development lifecycle. This allows developers to move from being just coders to being architects, focusing on system design while the AI handles the heavy lifting. The creative and analytical realms have also been supercharged. Generative AI can now draft marketing copy, write email newsletters, and create social media posts from a simple prompt, giving teams a powerful brainstorming partner. Simultaneously, in the world of big data, AI algorithms make sense of colossal data sets. They analyze millions of transactions to identify purchasing patterns, predict market trends, detect fraudulent activity in real time, and even optimize supply chains by forecasting demand with incredible precision. This is business intelligence on an unprecedented scale. From the back office to the developer's desk, from customer service to the C-suite, AI is no longer a future promise. It is a present-day reality, a powerful tool that is already enhancing productivity, unlocking new efficiencies, and fundamentally reshaping the nature of work across every single industry. The roles most at risk are those involving repetitive tasks. Clerical jobs, routine coding, data entry, and customer service are already seeing major disruption. These jobs are being automated because AI can do them faster, cheaper, and around the clock. But amidst the headlines about job displacement, it's crucial to remember that this isn't the full picture. It's not all bad news. In fact, history teaches us that technological revolutions, from the steam engine to the internet, have always been powerful engines of job creation. They don't just change old jobs, they invent entirely new categories of work that were once the stuff of science fiction. The AI revolution is no different, and it's already creating a vibrant ecosystem of brand new opportunities. These aren't just niche positions for a handful of PhDs. They span a wide range of skills, opening doors for people from diverse backgrounds. Take the role of a prompt engineer. Think of them as a master communicator, a diplomat between the human mind and the artificial one. They craft the precise language that guides AI models to produce the desired output, whether it's code, a marketing slogan, or a photorealistic image. It's a unique blend of art and science, requiring creativity and linguistic precision. Then there are AI trainers and data labelers. AI models aren't born smart, they have to be taught. These professionals are the teachers, meticulously feeding data to the AI, correcting its mistakes, and providing the feedback necessary to refine its performance. Their work is fundamental to building effective and reliable AI. Of course, the demand for technical experts continues to soar. Machine learning specialists are the architects behind the curtain. They design the complex algorithms, build the neural networks, and deploy the systems that power everything from your recommendation feeds to sophisticated scientific research. But with great power comes great responsibility. This has given rise to one of the most critical new roles, the AI ethicist. As AI becomes more integrated into our society, we need a guiding hand to ensure it's used fairly, transparently, and without perpetuating harmful biases. These professionals are the conscience of the tech world, scrutinizing algorithms and developing ethical guidelines to ensure our technology reflects our best values. And the creation doesn't stop with these new titles. AI is augmenting existing jobs, transforming industries from the inside out. In healthcare, AI is becoming a powerful diagnostic partner. It can analyze thousands of medical images in minutes, flagging potential issues for a radiologist's review. This doesn't replace the doctor, it empowers them, creating a new synergy between human expertise and machine precision. In education, AI is enabling personalized learning at an unprecedented scale. This creates a need for AI curriculum developers and educators who can leverage these tools to provide one-on-one support, acting more as mentors than lecturers. The common thread is evolution, not elimination. Many jobs won't disappear, they will be redefined. The most valuable skill in the coming decade will be the ability to work alongside AI, to leverage its strengths to amplify our own. Just as spreadsheets empowered accountants to become financial strategists, AI will handle the mundane, allowing us to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and strategic decision-making. The future of work isn't about competing with machines, it's about collaborating with them. Here's the good news. AI can't replace human creativity, empathy, or critical thinking. These uniquely human skills will always be in demand. If you focus on communication, leadership, and problem-solving, you'll stay ahead of the curve. In India, the IT and BPO sectors are being reshaped by AI. But at the same time, startups and education platforms are creating massive opportunities for upskilling. The future belongs to those who adapt and learn new skills. So, we come back to the monumental question that started it all. Will AI take your job? Throughout this journey, we've explored the deep-seated anxieties and the palpable excitement surrounding this technological revolution. We've seen how artificial intelligence is already reshaping entire industries, from diagnosing diseases in healthcare to optimizing supply chains in logistics, and the pace of this change is only accelerating. The simple and perhaps unsettling answer is that yes, some jobs as we know them today will inevitably become obsolete. But to stop there would be to tell a painfully incomplete story. The far more accurate and empowering truth is that AI will fundamentally transform the very nature of work itself, not just eliminate jobs wholesale. This isn't a new narrative. Think back to the Industrial Revolution, which moved economies from the farm to the factory, or the advent of the personal computer and the internet, which digitized our world. Each wave of technology displaced certain roles while simultaneously creating entirely new industries and professions that were once the stuff of science fiction. The role of a cloud architect or a prompt engineer would have sounded utterly alien just a few decades ago. AI is simply the next powerful chapter in this ongoing story of human innovation and adaptation. The crucial mental shift is from a mindset of replacement to one of reallocation and augmentation. AI excels at processing vast amounts of data, identifying subtle patterns, and automating the repetitive, mundane tasks that often consume our days. This incredible efficiency frees up our most valuable resource, our human intellect, our time, our energy, and our creativity. allowing us to focus on higher-value strategic work. The accountant who once spent weeks manually reconciling ledgers can now use AI to instantly analyze financial trends and act as a strategic advisor to the business. The graphic designer can use generative AI to explore hundreds of concepts in minutes, focusing their effort on refining the perfect creative vision. The future belongs not to those who try to compete with machines on rote tasks, but to those who learn to collaborate with them to solve bigger, more complex problems. So what can you, as an ambitious professional, do to not just survive, but truly thrive in this new era? The single most important asset you can possess is adaptability, fueled by a genuine commitment to lifelong learning. Start by developing a foundational understanding of how AI works. You don't need a PhD in machine learning, but knowing the basic principles will demystify the technology and empower you to identify opportunities in your own field. But it's not just about technical skills. In a world awash with artificial intelligence, your human intelligence becomes your ultimate differentiator. Double down on the skills that are uniquely human. Cultivate your critical thinking to question the outputs of AI. Nurture your creativity to imagine what's next. And develop your emotional intelligence to lead, persuade, and collaborate with others. AI can analyze a spreadsheet, but it can't lead a team through a difficult project with empathy and inspiration. It can generate a report, but it can't build a relationship with a client based on trust. These so-called soft skills are becoming the new hard skills of the 21st century workplace. The future of work, then, is a partnership. It's about humans and AI working in synergy, each leveraging their unique strengths to achieve more than either could alone. It's about augmenting our intelligence, not outsourcing our thinking. Navigating this new landscape is an ongoing journey, not a one-time destination. It requires curiosity, a willingness to experiment, and a community to learn with. That's why we created the Data Key. We're here to be your trusted guide, breaking down complex topics, sharing practical insights, and bringing you conversations with the experts who are building this future right now. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and continue to build your future-ready toolkit, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. The future isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we have the power to build. Let's build it together. Thank you for watching.